it's a good resource in this day and age, but then it also can be a drug. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. You probably noticed that I haven't posted in quite some time. Noticed or didn't notice, but I wanted to talk to you guys about why I why I detox from social media. So like sometimes when life gets a bit overwhelming, I usually just like shut down my social media because I feel like that's one thing that I tend to know how to control and know how to, you know, shut down when I feel mentally overwhelmed. But like I just needed to reconnect, you know, with God spiritually, emotionally. A lot of times when we are on social media, we compare ourselves or we get the feeling of, oh, I need that or I want that. And really count my blessings and also count my moments with family, if you know what I mean. I don't want to do a long video, but this is what I basically mean. When you spend too much time on social media, and then you lose a lot of moments. Okay, I remember going out one time and literally everyone around at the dinner table was on their phone. Like that's how, I mean, I was there, we were all there, but we weren't really there, if you get me. It's becoming a drug for a lot of us, and sometimes, you know, we don't know how to unplug and get connected with ourselves and the people that's around us. So I'm not saying that social media is bad, but it's just that when you use it as a tool for your self-esteem, self-worth, you know, people value likes and they value followers. A lot of people are losing themselves in the midst of all this, and I did not want that for myself. And so that's why I feel like, for me, I feel like it's good for me to do these, you know, detox, and it's good for me to just kind of like shut it down and, you know, focus on other things, you know. And I started to do my research, and when I tell you the amount of time the average person spends on social media is mind-boggling. But then again, it's just like, okay, I was that person at one point. When I looked it up, it says something like we spend an hour, an easy hour and 30 minutes up to 3 hours a day, like just losing ourselves, wasting time that we cannot get back. And I was just like, man, like that was me. With that being said, I want to share with you guys how I felt after, how I felt while I was detoxing. I felt free. I felt really free. I felt like I just felt free. So yeah, so another reason why I wanted to be more present. I wanted to be present. I wanted to live in the moment as a mother, as a wife, as a friend. I wanted to, you know, I wanted everyone to have my attention when I was present. Documenting every moment on social media will actually distract you from the moment. And I didn't care. My following count did decrease. The Clarissa 5 years ago would be like, oh my god, I'm losing followers, let me hurry up and post something. I was just like, okay, like it's fine, I'm gonna keep pushing. When I do go back, and break allowed me to prep the content that I want to, you know, prep my content for my channel. And I don't know, I just felt a lot happier with myself. I love how fun social media can be. And the thing is, with social media, we do feel like we are connected to people, so we don't want to disconnect ourselves. But it's okay to disconnect yourself sometimes, because there's moments where you need to find yourself again. I don't know if this video is gonna get viewed or whatnot, but it's fine, because I know that in my heart this video was meant for someone. Let me know what you guys think. Why do you detox from social media? Or have you ever thought about detoxing from social media? Like, I just feel like, again, it's a good resource in this day and age, but then it also can be a drug. Yeah, I think that's it. Bye.